I am Dr. Arun Kumar Singh. We will discuss the topic behavior and its type. Meaning of behavior, manners of behaving or conducting of oneself, the way a person behaves towards other people. Definition: behavior is the range of mannerism made by the individuals, organisms, systems, or artificial entities in conjunctions with themselves or their environment, which includes the other systems or organisms around as well as the physical environment. Nature of behavior: an infant is born with wide variety of behaviors. These are developed depending upon a complex of factors, especially interactions with others. Growing up in a human society, the child learns to compromise and to adapt the characteristics and values of the people in a particular social environment. The term behavior includes all motor activities, cognitive activities, and affective activities. Nature of behavior: the nature of an individual's behavior can be influenced by interaction between an inherited pattern of genes and a particular environment, physical characteristics, and cultural behavior observed as a result of learning but not inborn racial characteristics. Factors affecting behavior: the factors affecting personality can be divided into two classes. Number one, biological, and second, social. Biological factors, these are of three types. Number one, ductless endocrine glands. These send their secretions directly to the blood without ducts. Their secretions are called hormones. These hormones are responsible for many changes in the personality. Factors affecting behaviors. Second, pancreas. Pancreas send insulin to the blood. The amount of sugar in the blood depends upon the amount of insulin in it. When the deficiency of insulin, that is sugar, occurs in the body, the mental power is weak and the nature of behavior of the individual seems less balanced. His mood changes, temperaments becomes irritated, and fear increases. Thyroid glands, it has a very important function in the development of physical structures as well as mental development. If it is absent since the very birth, the intellect of the child does not improve. Adrenal gland secretes adrenaline. It has an important influence upon the behavior of a person. It is responsible for sexual characteristics of male and female. Gonads, the secretion of gonads, that is sex glands, it is important factors influencing behavior or personality. Physical structures has relation with the temperament, just like fat men are easygoing and social, while thin persons are self-controlled, irritated, and unsocial. Body chemistry: the difference of temperament is supposed to be due to difference of chemical elements in different men. These chemical elements are of two types. Some reach the body from outside while some are created in the body itself. Example are drugs and alcohols. Other factors like sex, intelligence, and nervous system. Second, social factors. The environment of different individuals are very much different from one another and so their effects. These are divided into home, school, and society. The environment of home has a wide influence on the development of personality. The behavior of parents and the culture has impact on child's psychology. Example is over protectiveness and rejections by parent, broken homes, child abuse, and so on. Types of behavior: the following are the types of behavior. Assertive behavior. Assertive behavior is a positive self affirmation which also values and other persons in your life. avoidance behavior. It is a conscious or unconscious defense mechanism by which a person tries to escape from unpleasant situation or feelings such as anxiety and pain. Submissive behavior. The behavior lets you reduce anxiety, guilt or fear by letting your views or thoughts in be lets you be taken advantage of. Aggressive behavior. Aggressive behavior is communicating verbally or non-verbally. Aggressive peoples may invade the personal space of others. Types of behavior: innate behavior and learned behavior. Innate behavior is automatic, developmentally fixed. Despite different environments, all individuals exhibit the behavior. Learned behavior modified by experience and variable. Innate behavior, fixed action patterns and imprinting. Learned behavior, associate learning. Example as classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Habituations, insight learning and observational learning. Habituations, loss of responsiveness of unimportant stimuli. Learn not to respond to repeated occurrence of stimulus. Behavior therapy. It is a form of treatment for problems in which a trained persons deliberately established a professional relationship with the patient with the objective of removing or modifying exciting symptoms and promoting positive personality growth and development. Behavior techniques: systematic desensitization, flooding, aversion therapy, positive reinforcement, token economy, modeling, shaping, changing, ignoring, punishments and timeout. Systematic desensitization. This is patient attain a state of complete relaxation and are then exposed to the stimulus that elicit the anxiety response. The negative reactions of anxiety is inhibited by the relaxed stage, a process called reciprocal inhibition. Prodding: the patient is directly exposed to the phobic stimulus, but escape are made impossible. Aversion therapy: pairing of the pleasant stimulus with an unpleasant response so that even in the absence of the unpleasant response, the pleasant stimulus becomes unpleasant by association. Positive reinforcement: when a behavioral response is followed by a generally rewarding event such as food or gifts. Token economy: this programs involves giving token rewards for appropriate. The token can later be exchanged for other rewards. Modeling: modeling is method of teaching by demonstration wherein the therapist show how a specific behavior is to be performed. Shaping: in shaping the components of a particular skills, the behavior is reinforced step by step. The therapist starts shaping by enforcing the exciting behavior. Punishment: punishment is present contingents upon the undesirable response. Thank you.